All right, guys, this is Mr. Whitty again and Mr. Lamar who's recording me. We're going to do an experiment today quickly about like chemical reactions and what is happening when we use, say, salts or different types of water. So you guys know about an experiment that we showed online talking about how electricity works or how it flows through certain particles, right? So the weird thing is that water, being a polar molecule, will allow electricity to flow, but not all water allows it to do that. So what we have here is we have 2 cups of water, okay? Both were filled up from the tap over here that's in the room, okay? So the first one, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take these 2 electrodes that are attached to this battery. We're gonna look at the light bulb here, and you see that nothing is happening, no light, no nothing. So that's just regular tap water. That's a proof of concept. We know that not all water is going to electrocute you immediately, okay? However, if we go to this cup, this other cup, and I do this, we see that the light is now on. That means that there is electricity flowing through that water and that it is creating a circuit, just like what we've talked about in class when we were doing physics. So what I'm going to ask you to do first is tell me what you think is happening here. Why is this cup not allowing the light bulb to light? Why is this one allowing it to light? Okay? And then when we get to the next part of the experiment, what I'm going to do is I have regular table salt. Okay? So when I go in here, I add a good amount. Now we're making this from tap water into salt water. So this was fresh water. It is no longer fresh water. It is salt water, okay? So I stir this in, take a minute, right? And you would, just looking at it, you might see that when you do this in the classroom, you may see that, yeah, the water looks a little bit different, but give it a minute, and if you let it sit, you know, it'll turn back into what looks like normal water. But if we take our 2 electrodes now, notice how the light turns on. So now we have 2 cups that light up when you put an electrode in them. So what is the chemical reaction happening here? And why is the water allowing it to light now that I've added the salt? You guys can answer that question in our discussion below, and I look forward to seeing you guys in class. Have a great day.